Righto, so far we've seen the basics of creating layers and masks in Gimp. Next we're going to look at how we're going to disable layer masks and how to merge a mask and add a content layer by applying it. So let's start off with what we've got here. We got this pretty young lady. We're going to show all the content on there. The mask is still there and you can see it at any time. To disable a mask, all we need to do is select it. And all we need to do, we can tell that we've selected it by clicking on it and having it selected green, and by the color of the boundary on the canvas. Now the color of the boundary will change when you can go to the layer, choose mask and disable mask, and you've got it disabled. You'll see that it's turned red. That means it ain't working no more. Now we can show it. To re-enable it, you'll notice that it goes green and that makes it really nice. Then we can show it so that we can see the entire vision, and disable show to turn it back off. We can re-enable it by going into the layers, dialog, and selecting to re-enable the layer mask, and turn it off again by pressing the disable if we need to. It's non-destructive, so we can disable it and re-enable it after we've enabled the mask, so it's still there. There will be times when you're going to want a more permanent solution, either to make the effect of the mask permanent or to remove it permanently. For those times, we can apply the layer mask and delete layer mask commands. So they are in the layer menu and we can apply. And that applies the layer mask to your actual photo, which is all well and good. You'll see down the bottom here we got the surfer, and you can see that the background has been turned into transparency. In effect, it's like I've used the eraser tool to erase that background and just allow the surfer to come through like we did with the foreground selection tool. To completely remove the effect on the computer on that image, we're just going to go to delete layer mask, and bang, we're back to normal. Bob's your uncle, maybe your auntie. Have a good day.